In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline on Roblox. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want to play Roblox without everyone knowing you're online, here's exactly how you can appear completely offline here in the Roblox app. Begin by opening it up and making sure that you're logged in. And once you're logged in, tap those three dots down in the bottom right corner. And from here, what you need to do is actually scroll down until you see the settings icon. Go ahead and open that up and then choose privacy and content restrictions from that menu. Now expand the section that is called visibility and private servers, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And here's the key part: set your online status and current experience status to no one. So select visibility, put it to no one, and then choose show current experience and set it to no one as well. It really is as simple as that. From now on, you can play Roblox in peace and appear offline to everybody else. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.